So today I'm going to be unboxing the VG2758-2K. We also have a 24-inch Full HD version. So if you want a bit of a smaller form factor, you don't need that, that 2K resolution, we do have an option for you. So going into the unboxing here, it's a super easy setup, what we call our pizza box design. I can very easily take out this top and we can see what's all in here. So the first thing you're going to see is your power cable. Then we have a DisplayPort cable for other different kinds of connections. Maybe you don't have a device with USB-C. We still give you a DisplayPort connector for that. Then we also have a full function USB-C cable. You'll notice that this one also comes with an adapter for USB-A connectivity. So if you already have a fully functional USB-C cable, you can use this for different peripherals, kind of depending on what your need is. This also comes with a quick setup guide. So if you don't remember how to set it up, super easy, all the information's in here. And after that, we have the base of our stand and we have the neck of our stand. I'll set these off to the
Alex,
side here.
let me stop you there a little bit. And you before you go further, you did talk about the pizza box, right? So I think that's something that is fairly unique. And if you can elaborate a little bit, what do we mean by pizza box? It does look like is it biodegradable?
Yeah, so our box is fully biodegradable. All of the bags that our components come in are also biodegradable. These are paper-based, so really helping you kind of meet your environmental goals. And by pizza box design, we mean that it opens up like a pizza box. It's super easy. We had that top bit where we had all of the different parts of the stand, all of the different connectors, all there for you. And then under that is the monitor itself, kind of set up in a way for really easy. You don't even really need to read through the guide. You see the parts that you need to connect as you need them, and you put them all together.